How to join a group in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. And once you search for it, you simply want to go ahead and log in to your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, in your left hand side, simply tap on communities. Now inside this section, you can simply type in the group name in the search bar. You can even create your own group by tapping on create community right over here. And then inside the section, you'll then be able to find different groups that you would like to join. So go ahead and tap on one of them that you wish to join. And once you tap onto it, you'll then be able to find a join community option. When you tap onto it, you'll then be able to join group in Roblox. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.